and welcome to my 11th day here in Iceland. Today, this is our first day from visiting the area of East Iceland. As I said yesterday, we're staying in Seydisfjordur. Today, our first attraction is Rjukandi Waterfall, and let me switch the camera so you can see it better. And this is Rjukandi Waterfall. And this, by the way, how to spell it. I used the paper from my intro. And this is Rjukandi in all of its glory. It keeps on going down through here to that Ferris wheel that I showed you before. So yeah, it's really nice. It's not one of the most popular ones, but it's still really beautiful. If you're in East Iceland, you must come. Even the road is paved through here. And this area, there are some pretty bad roads, believe me. We're now on our way to Seydisfjordur. There it is. I will show you how to write it, because I can't spell it, I can pronounce it. Yeah, we saw this beautiful place. I will change the view of the camera. By the way, somewhere down there, there's the fjord. And I will change the camera so you see better. So this is the name. And this is it. I don't know what it's called, but it's really nice. Come around here. And there is Seydisfjordur, or how it's in there, I don't know how to pronounce it, as I said. Yeah, then you go over this bridge, over like this little waterfall. Iceland is filled with waterfalls. It should have been called Waterfall Land, not Iceland. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is very nice. Pretty cool, as I was going to say, but suddenly stopped. Then you go down this rickety bridge, which, as you can see, guys, moves. It's not connected to the ground, which is just amazing. Now you come in the middle of it. That water is so clear, it's like glass. You can keep on walking through here. You keep on walking through here, and as you can see, this is really nice. It's a must-have, and you can see there are so many people over here, guys. But yeah, as I said, the water is so nice. It's so clear as well. I'm going to just vlog it all, the walk over here, because it's beautiful. Come in here, and there's like a tiny bridge thing over here. Let me go. And after I came from that side, if you come to here, look at the view. And also there's the bridge, and you can, as I was saying, because I cut it right in the middle, and you can keep on walking. I came up here. You can go down here. That's some weird colored water. You can get a different view of what I just showed. And this is from here. You can see it much better from here. This is really nice. It's a must. And then there's this place as well. I almost missed it. Look at that. You need to come from that part, that kind of bridge thing from over there, and just look at that. So we kept on walking. Again, I think, please count and write in the comments how many times I said we kept on walking. I think that's about 5 times now. Okay, that's the first bit. And if another one, we keep on walking over here. It continues going down there and down to there. So this is a must, as I said already for a million times. It's really nice. Now I'm at Seydisfjordur. You can, if you want to know how to write it, you can go way back and you can see it. But from here, from the village, which is located here in Seydisfjordur, from there you can catch a ferry to go to Denmark. Yes, it takes 47 hours to go to Denmark, and comes here once a week. So that's if you're interested, go there and you'll catch the ferry. But yeah, this is a really cool village. It's really cute. It's really small as well. As you can see, there's the little harbor. But yeah, it's really sweet. Well done, you have made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. And if you want to ask me anything about Iceland, just leave a comment down below. And to subscribe, click right here. If you want to check out my last episode from the vlog, click right here. And if you want, in this video right here, is the video which YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Bye bye!